Saskatchewan's Information and Privacy Commissioner Ron Krusniski says he was personally very troubled by this investigation because it involves some of the most private, personal health information that we have in this province. And it's clear that information could, according to him, be floating around the dark web right now for sale to the highest bidder. And so it's really not good. Krusniski says this happened for a wide range of reasons. Now, the breach, the privacy breach, happened back in December 20th when a Saskatchewan Health Authority employee opened an email on a tablet that was connected to a Saskatchewan Health Authority computer. And that let the virus in the door of the entire system, and it got infected. And according to the commissioner, there were some early warning signs shortly after that, which should have led eHealth officials to take action, quick action, and that could have diminished the effect of the virus. But instead, about 500,000 files containing personal information were stolen and got into the hands of criminals, though at this point, that information has not been released publicly anywhere, at least not that we know of. So the report also points out that in the midst of that crisis, eHealth did not have a proper inventory of all of its servers, so it didn't even know the basics of what needed to be protected in that urgent moment. The report also says that eHealth has a hodgepodge of computer systems that don't work together, and that makes it tough to secure them. And also, the report points out there's infighting amongst staff as people try to protect turf. And on top of that, there's long-term underfunding by the provincial government. So lots of issues for the Minister of Health to deal with here.
I see that there are some challenges with the board and with the management, and it's something that I'm going to be talking to my officials about later on this afternoon and first thing on Monday morning.
So Paul Merriman says he's going to get on these problems right away, but the NDP opposition says none of this should have been surprising to this government. These problems have been pointed out for years by the provincial auditor, by the NDP, by the media. But the funding problems and the dysfunction persist. Geoff Leo, CBC News, Regina.